ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। अथ श्रीमन्नारायणीयं दशक 7 The Origin of Brahma. This beautiful dashakam dealing with the origin of Brahma and his activities is framed in the Shardula Vikriditam meter, which has 19 syllables in each of the 4 quarters. In this, the origin of Brahma, his penance to acquire knowledge, the charming description of Vaikuntha, the abode of Vishnu, the appearance of Vishnu before Brahma, and his blessings to Brahma are all vividly described. एवं देवचतुर्दशात्मकजगद्रूपेण जातः पुनस्तस्योर्ध्वं खलु सत्यलोकनिलये जातोऽसि धाता स्वयं यं शंसन्ति हिरण्यगर्भमखिलत्रैलोक्यजीवात्मकम् यो भूस्फीतरजो विकारविकसन् नानासिसृक्षारसः. हे देव, O effulgent God, evam chaturdashatmaka rupena, in this manner, in the form of the 14 worlds, jataha tvam, swayam kalu, you were born, and you yourself, punaha tasya urdhvam, again on top of the 14 worlds, satyaloka nilaye, in the satyaloka, dhata jataha asi, were born as Brahma. Yam akhila trailokya jivatmakam hiranyagarbham shansanti, who is praised as the Hiranyagarbha, the soul of all living beings. Yaha spita rajo vikara vikasan nana sisricha rasaha abhut, who became interested in creating various things, being aroused by the upsurge of the Rajoguna in him. The 3 worlds mentioned in the verse are the Prithvi, the earth, and the 6 worlds above Prithvi, namely Bhuvaha, Swaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam, taken as one world, and the worlds below the earth, Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Rasatala, Talatala, Mahatala, and Patala, taken as one world. सोऽयं विश्वविसर्गदत्तहृदयः सम्पश्यमानः स्वयं बोधं कल्वनवाप्य विश्वविषयं चिन्ताकुलस्तस्तिवान् तावत् त्वं जगतां पते तपतपेत्येवं हि वैहायसीं वाणीं येनमशिश्रवश्रुतिसुखां कुर्वंस्तपप्रेरणाम्. When Brahma wanted to create the world, he did not know how to do it and became very anxious. At that time, God Vishnu made him hear a pleasant heavenly voice urging him to do penance. Saha ayam, that Brahma, Vishwa Visarga Datta Hridayaha, who put his heart into creating the world. Swayam Sampashyamanaha, though he thought about it himself, Vishwa Vishayam Bodham Anavapya Kalu. Indeed, not getting the knowledge about the world. Chinta Kulaha Tastivan remained full of anxiety. Jagatam Pate Tavat Tvam, O Lord of the universe, then you. Tapa Preranam Kurvan he, for impelling him to perform austerity. Tapa Tapa iti evam he, do penance, thus indeed. Shruti Sukam, pleasing to the ears. Vaihayasim Vanim, heavenly voice. Enam Ashishravaha, made him hear. Kosau mamavadat pumaniti jala purne jagan mandale दिक्षुद्वीक्ष्य किमप्यनिश्चितवता वाक्यार्थमुत्पश्यता दिव्यं वर्षसहस्रमात्ततपसा तेन त्वमाराधितस्तस्मै दर्शितवानसि स्वनिलयं वैकुण्ठमेकाद्भुतम्. Brahma looked around in all directions, wondering who addressed him when all the worlds were full of water. He could not see any person, and as told by the divine voice, he performed penance for 1000 divine years. One divine year is equal to 360 human years. God Vishnu, who was thus worshipped, showed to Brahma his wonderful abode, the Vaikuntha. Jagan Mandale Jalapurne, when all the worlds are full of water. Kaha Asau Puman, who is this man? Mam Evam Avadat, who spoke to me thus. Iti Dikshu Udvichya. So saying, he looked up in the directions. Kim api anishchitavata, not seeing anything. Vakyartham, the meaning of the speech. Utpashyata, understanding. Divyam Varsha Sahasram, for 1000 divine years. Atta Tapasa Tena, by him who performed penance. Araditaha Tvam, you who were worshipped. Tasmai Swanilayam Vaikuntam Darshitavan Asi, to him you showed your abode, Vaikunta, the unique wonder. Maya yatra kadapi no vikurute bhate jagadbhyo bahihi shoka krodha vimoha sadvasamukha bhavastu duram gataha sandranandajari च यत्र परमज्योति प्रकाशात्मके तत्ते धाम विभावितं विजयते वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो. In Vaikuntha, there is no play of Maya. There are no negative feelings like sorrow, anger, delusion, or fear. There is continuous bliss, and that wonderful Vaikuntha was shown to Brahma by God Vishnu. Vibho Jagadbhyaha Bahihi Bhate. O God, that Vaikuntha which shines outside the 14 worlds. Parama Jyoti Prakashatmake, which has the brilliance of the supreme light. Yatra Maya Kadapi no Vikurute, where Maya never undergoes any modification. Shoka Krodha Vimoha Sadvasamukhaha, where sorrow, anger, delusion, fear, and others, bhavaha tu duram gataha. The feelings have gone far away. Yatra, where Sandra Ananda Jaricha, there is a torrential stream of bliss. Tvaya Vibhavitam, shown by you to Brahma, Vaikunta Rupam, in the form of Vaikunta, Tat Te Dhama, that well known abode of yours, the Vaikunta, Vijayate, is ever victorious. यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजा हरिमणिश्यामा वदातत्विषो नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशो राजद्विमानालयाः भक्तिप्राप्ततथा विधोन्नतपदा दिव्यन्ति दिव्या जनास्तत्ते धाम निरस्तसर्वशमलं वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्. In Vaikunta, there are people shining with the appearance of God Vishnu. They have 4 arms and a blue complexion. They have reached Vaikunta by their extreme devotion to God. They have got Sarupya Mukti, in which Mukti the devotee attains a form similar to the form of God. Yasmin Nama Chaturbhujaha, in which there are indeed people having 4 arms. Harimani Shama Avadata Tvishaha, they have the beautiful lustre of the blue sapphires. Nana Bhushana Ratna Deepita Dishaha, they illumine the quarters with the gems in their ornaments. Rajat Vimana Alayaha, they live in shining heavenly cars. Divyaha Janaha, divine people, Divyanti, they shine there. Tatte Dhama, that abode of yours. Nirasta Sarva Shamalam, bereft of all sins. Vaikunta Rupam, in the form of Vaikunta. Jayet, let it be ever victorious. नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता विद्युल्लतातुल्यया विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिताशान्तरा त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैककुतुकाल् लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवं तत्ते padam dehi me. In Vaikunta, the goddess Lakshmi is also seen. She illumines the quarters with her great splendor. She lives there permanently, serving the lotus feet of the god. The poet requests God Vishnu to grant him a place in that wonderful divine abode. Yasmin, in which Vaikunta, Nana Divya Vadhujanaihi, with various divine damsels, Abhivrita, surrounded, Vidyullata Tulyaya, with her body resembling a streak of lightning, Vishwa Unmadana Hridya Gatra Lataya, with her charming creeper like body which captivates all, Vidyoti Tashantara, illumining the quarters, Lakshmihi, the goddess Lakshmi, Tvat Padambuja Saurabha Eka Kutukat, with the ardent desire to enjoy the fragrance of your lotus-like feet. Swayam Lakshyate is herself seen. Tatte Vismayaniya Divya Vibhavam Te Padam. Your place, which has wonderful divine glories, may Dehi. Please give me also. तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे रत्नासनाध्यासितं भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीटकटकाद्याकल्पदीप्राकृति श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्तकौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणं कारणम् विश्वेषां तव रूपमैक्षत विधिस्तत्ते विभो भातु मे. In Vaikuntha, Brahma saw Vishnu seated on a Ratnasana, brilliantly adorned with ornaments, the Srivatsa mark and the Kaustubha gem. The poet praised that such a beautiful form should be revealed to him also. Evam pratidarshite, in this manner shown to Brahma, tatra nija pade, there in Vaikuntha, your abode, vidihi Brahma, ratnasana adhyasitam, seated on a ratna asana, on a gem-studded throne, Bhasvat Koti Lasat Kirita Katakadi Akalpa Diprakriti, with a form shining with a crown, many bracelets and other ornaments, brilliant like crores of sun, Srivatsankitam, marked by Srivatsa, Ata Kaustubha Mani Chayarunam, red with the lustre of the Kaustubha gem adorning him, Vishvesham Karanam, the cause of the universe, Tava Rupam Aichata, saw your form, Vibho Tat Te Me Bhatu, O Lord, let that form shine before me also. This is the prayer of the poet. कालाम्बोदकलाय कोमलरुचि चक्रेण चक्रं दिशाम् आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसितस्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम् राजत्कम्बुगदारिपङ्कजधर श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम् स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत्. Brahma became very happy to see Vishnu's form, which was very pleasing. In complexion, it appeared like a rain-bearing cloud and the blue kalaya flower. The god's face was pleasant, and he held the conch, mace, discus, and lotus in his forearms. The poet praised that this form of the god should eradicate his ailments. Vibho, O all-pervading Lord, Kala Amboda Kalaya Komala Ruchi Chakrena, by your splendor, which is like that of the dark clouds and the blue Kalaya flowers, Disham Chakram, all the directions, Avrindvanam, covering, Udara Manda Hasita Syanda Prasannananam, with a beautiful gentle smile flowing from your pleasant face. Rajat Kambu Gadari Pankajadara Srimad Bhujamandalam with your auspicious arms holding the shining conch, mace, discus, and lotus. Srashtuhu Tuštikaram, which caused happiness to Brahma. Tava Vapuhu Madrogam Udvasayet. Let your form eradicate my ailments. दृष्ट्वा संभृतसम्भ्रमकमलभूस्त्वत्पादपातोरुहे हर्षावेशवशं वदो निपतितप्रीत्या कृतार्ती भवन् जानास्येव मनीषितं मम विभो ज्ञानं तदापादय द्वैताद्वैतभवत्स्वरूपपरमित्याचष्टतं त्वां भजे. When Brahma saw Vishnu's glorious form, he became greatly excited and overpowered by joy. He fell at Vishnu's feet. He requested the god to grant him that knowledge which would enable him to create the world. Kamalabhuhu Drishtva, Brahma, seeing your form. Sambrita Sambramaha, becoming agitated. Harsha Vesha Vashambadaha, Tvatpada Pathoruhe Nipatitaha, becoming overwhelmed with joy, fell at the feet of Vishnu. Pritya Kritarthi Bhavan, he felt fulfilled and happy. Iti Achashta, he spoke thus. Janasi eva manishitam mama. O God, you surely know about the desire of my heart. Vibho, O Lord, Dvaita Advaita Bhavat Swarupa Param Jnanam Tat Apadaya. Make me get that knowledge about your unique dual and non-dual aspects. Tam Tvam Bhaje, I worship you, O Lord, who are the Supreme Reality. आताम्रे चरणे विनम्रमततं हस्तेन हस्ते स्पृशन् बोधस्ते भविता न सर्गविधिभिर्बन्धोऽपि सञ्जायते इत्याभाष्य गिरं प्रतोष्य नितरां तच्चित्तगूढस्वयं सृष्टौ तं समुदैरयः स भगवन् उल्लासयोल्लागताम्. When Brahma fell at the feet of Vishnu, Vishnu held him by his hand and blessed him. Then, remaining in the heart of Brahma, he inspired him to create. The poet prays to God Vishnu to hasten his recovery and make him happy. Atha atamre charane. Then, at your reddish lotus-like feet, Vinamram tam, who bent down, Hastena haste sprishan, holding him by his hand, te bodaha bhavita sarga vidibihi bandaha api na sanjayate. You will get knowledge about creation. Also, you will not get bondage due to your act of creation. Iti giram abhashya. Thus speaking the words, Nitaram Pratoshya, pleasing him very much, Swayam Tachitta Gudaha, you also remaining hidden in his heart, Tam Srishtau Samudairayaha, you prompted him to create. Bhagavan Saha, O Bhagavan, Ullagatam Ullasaya. Make me recover from my illness and make me happy.